Hi everybody. Today I wanted to talk to you about a set of macros that I tried to create in Keyboard Maestro to replace, or not to replace, but to make um, Apple Mail, this is why you see the compose window, function with Gmail shortcuts. And I'm sad to say that it actually did not work. Here are all the shortcuts I actually did create in Keyboard Maestro that correspond to Gmail shortcuts, and that's why I call it Apple Mail to Gmail. Unfortunately, when let's go back here. When you try some of these, they work to start, but as you continue using them, they start not functioning correctly, sometimes triggering other macros. So this is the problem with using just letters without modifiers as Keyboard Maestro triggers. So I was going to go through a whole series showing you how to set up macros that make Apple Mail function as Gmail shortcuts do. But let's take a look at some of these. They do not. Well, they do, and they do work for the most part. Like here, let me show you. I can close this window, say don't save, and I can hit C, and it'll come up with the compose window. Let's close this again. I'll show you a couple of others. So I can hit J or K, and it'll go up and down the list of messages. So J goes down, K goes up, and if I hit the slash key, it goes to the search window, and so on. Oh, whoops, what am I doing here? Okay. So, but, and I've set up another, a star macro, correct? And this is why I can no longer use these entire set of macros. So if you type the S key for star in Apple Mail, it's known as flag a message. So I can flag a message this way, right? But let's say I hit the compose button. So I hit C and type a name with the letter S. Okay? And so it typed the address that as soon as you go down here to the compose area and type something like, my name is Steve. My name is Steve. Okay, well, this time it worked, but before it was triggering the star message. So the functions in Mail with commands from Gmail, they're unpredictable. Let's see if the send message works. Okay. Now we're gonna do command enter. Oh no. See, and command enter in Gmail, it was supposed to be the send button. This one right here. So let's try it again. Nope. 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 Alright, now that we're in the compose field, let's try it again. Still nothing. As you can see, and let's take a look at it on in the Keyboard Maestro editor. And here it is. Command return. Let's try the command shift return. Maybe that switches it to enter, because it's actually supposed to be enter. Command shift. No. Command shift return. No. And so therefore you can see why using Keyboard Maestro to duplicate Gmail shortcuts is a little bit unpredictable. Then again, you know, Keyboard Maestro is supposed to be used for things that do not have a keyboard shortcut. With almost all of Apple Mail, it has its own set of keyboard shortcuts that you can employ. For instance, let's go to Message, and you can see that the send is Shift Command D. And that's what I believe I have here. Yeah, Shift Command D, but still it isn't triggering them. Although if I go back to using the Apple Mail triggers, it'll do it. I'm pretty certain. Yep, here, and it wants to send it. But it did not trigger it when I did the command return. Like so. Alright guys, I hope this doesn't discourage you from using Keyboard Maestro for things. By the way, all of these commands will work if you use some sort of modifier with them. But to make it exactly as if it was Gmail that you have in front of you, that won't quite work with Keyboard Maestro. But next week I will have another video that shows how to install a plugin that will hopefully make Apple Mail function as if it were Gmail. It just, for this attempt, it did not work with Keyboard Maestro.